AI videos and AI avatars are the hottest trends right now, and everyone from content creators to influencers are using these avatars in their workflow and making good amount of money. This got me thinking, what if we could use these AI avatars for marketing? That's when I came across this AI tool called Feedeo. Feedeo is an AI interactive video generator to generate leads, showcase products, and collect feedback effortlessly. It can be used for marketing, video interviews, video surveys, product showcasing, video feedback, and so much more. Imagine you are a company looking for feedback on your products. You send out these feedback forms, but never really receive any feedback from your customers. But thanks to AI, we can transform the boring feedback forms into interactive forms that users will love to engage and interact with. It's super easy to make and does not require any technical knowledge. Let me show you a few examples. We will start off by going to their website. The website link is in the video description. Click on Create AI Video to get started. Now you can choose a template like feedback survey, contact form, video screening, etc. I'll choose feedback survey and click on Next. Now it's asking us to select an avatar for our video. Here we have 2 sample AI avatars given by Feedeo, but we can upload our own photo to create an avatar. Here we can see the photo requirements. It should be a medium shot, front-facing, neutral expression, good lighting, and size below 10 megabytes. Click on the plus icon and select your photo. For example, I have a couple of photos here. I'll choose this one and open. And our image is uploaded. Now let's choose a voice for her. I'll choose Anna with a cheerful voice, and click on the Next button. Here we can set each step of the interactive video. First, we have to write a script so that the AI avatar can speak it out loud and select a component relevant to the script. For example, our script is asking the user to express their satisfaction by choosing a smiley face. So we will select the component as a smiley face. And in the second step, we are thanking the user and asking them to enter their suggestions or opinions in a text box. So we will select the component as a short text. In the final step, we are thanking the user for their participation and feedback. No action is needed, so the component is selected as none. Finally, let's click on the Generate button. Enter your name and email address and click on Get Code. You will receive a code on your email. Copy the code and paste it here. Choose your area of interest and submit. The video creation will start and will take around 2 to 5 minutes. After the video is ready, you can share it on social media like Facebook and Twitter. Or you can click on Visit Link to watch the video. If you want to make any changes, click on Enter Workspace. It will ask you some questions about yourself to give you a personalized experience. Choose relevant answers like, for example, I'm a YouTuber, and the company name. Let's give our channel name AI Automation Labs, and submit. Here I have all the videos that I have been working on for feedback surveys, lead generations, etc. Let's select the most recent one that we just made. It's the feedback form with smiley faces. Let's change her voice and choose one that better suits her face. Click on this icon to listen to a sample voice.
Hello, this is how I sound.
I think this one fits perfect. Let's make some changes to our script. Let's name her Emma. The cool thing about this AI is that everything in these forms is customizable. For example, I want to change the overlay text here to show something else like, would you recommend our product to your friends? And select the answer type as NPS, ranging from 0 to 10, not at all likely to extremely likely. And this is where it gets interesting. The logic. We can customize the steps and actions based on each feedback number given by the customer. Pretty cool, right? For example, if a customer chooses a lower number, I want to know more details about them, so that my team can assist them with their concern. So for that, I will add an additional step here, and I'll name it something like, how can we improve? And in the components, I want the user response to be captured as contact info. And I want the overlay text to be displayed something like, sorry to hear that. Please leave us your details so that we can get back to you. And we will capture their name, email, and phone number. You can even add additional fields if you want. And in the video section, we have to write a script that our AI avatar will speak out loud. Now let's go back to step number 1 and modify our script. We want the user to select a number between 1 to 10. And in the logic section, let's modify the logic such that whenever the customer selects a rating from 0 to 6, we want the AI to ask the customer details and save them in our records. So I'm selecting the logic to route to step 3. How can we improve for all numbers from 0 to 6? Let's publish our changes and test it out.
Hi, I'm Emma. Please rate your overall satisfaction with your recent purchase by choosing a number below. Your feedback will help us improve the customer experience.
Let's give it a lower rating to test whether the AI will ask for the customer details as a follow-up question.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Please leave your contact details below and we will get back to you.
Awesome. And the AI is also requesting the contact details. Let's give it sample name, email, and phone number, and submit.
Thank you for taking this quick survey. Your input is incredibly valuable as we constantly work to optimize our e-commerce platform and exceed customer expectations. We appreciate you taking the time to help us serve you better.
Now, if we go back and check the responses section, we can see all the details entered by the customer are saved here. Similarly, there are so many ready-made templates available in this AI to generate leads, capture surveys, etc. You can even navigate the users to your websites and landing pages as a call to action. Another cool thing about this AI is that you can embed this interactive AI video into your website. Just copy the code given by the AI and paste it in the head section of your website, and you can see this video interact with the users and capture their feedback and generate leads.
Hi, this is Vlada from AI Automation Labs, a leading provider of digital marketing solutions to help businesses grow online. Our customized strategies have helped companies of all sizes increase their leads and sales.
So yeah, that's it, guys. Feedeo AI is free to try, and you can upgrade to any of their pro plans if you think it's worth it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more awesome AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.